In this media, you will learn about the need for electrical survey requirements. One of the most significant and the oldest international maritime conventions for safety is SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea. It constitutes various measures required to enhance the safety of shipping. In the year 1914, the first version of SOLAS was adopted mainly due to the tragic accident of Titanic, which killed around 1,500 people. In the year 1974, the present version was adopted, and it was brought into force in the year 1980. There are in total 11 chapters in the 1997 Consolidated Edition of SOLAS. Chapter 2-1 contains electrical regulations of ship. The 5 parts of this chapter are: Part A. General requirements for the construction of ship. Part B. Subdivision and stability. Part C. Installation of machinery. Part D. Installation of electrical fittings. Part E. Other requirements for periodically unattended machinery spaces. The subdivisions of Part D, Installation of Electrical Fittings, are: Regulation 40, General. Regulation 41, Prime Source of Electrical Power and System of Lighting. Regulation 42, Source of Electrical Power in Passenger Ships during Emergencies. Regulation 42-1, Additional lighting for ro-ro passenger ships during emergencies. Regulation 43, Source of electrical power in cargo ships during emergencies. Regulation 44, Arrangements for starting the emergency generator sets. Regulation 45, Precautionary measures against emergencies like shock, fire, and other electrical hazards. The following are the regulations to be complied with by the British registered ships. Electrical and electronic equipment regulations for the ships have been given by the Institution of Electrical Engineers, IEE. These regulations are added with the recommendations for the electrical and electronic equipment of offshore installations with the support of British Standards Institution, BSI. The ships have to satisfy the standards fixed by these organizations during design, construction, approval, and classification stage. Throughout the lifetime of the ship, the owner and the operating staff of the ship have to maintain the electrical installation as per the standards set by the Classification Society. So, in order to check this, a survey called Periodical Electrical Survey is conducted. Thus, you have learned about the need for electrical survey requirements.